channel. I'm Sapna and today I'm starting with this series of if you want to get featured on my channel. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, I did a story sometime back and asked you guys if you are interested in getting featured on my channel, and I think a whooping 92% people said a yes for it, and the first person who is getting featured on my channel is sitting right here, this pretty little girl, Tanisha. So if you guys are interested in getting featured on my channel, then you can DM me or you can leave a comment on this video and I will try my best that I somehow try and fix up and fix you guys for my videos. So the series starts from today. This is the first episode and Tanisha will tell us what are we going to do today. It is something very interesting. It's her idea which I absolutely love. So go ahead.
So we're going to do an Elena Gilbert look, which is from Vampire Diaries. It's a Netflix series, or you can watch it on CW channel or CW website. And yes, it's very simple and
yeah, it's a very
nice
simple, no makeup kind of a look. So I think more than the makeup, it is the concept which we are really keen on working. We all love Netflix. We all pretty much, I think, binge watch Netflix, Vampire Diaries, Riverdale, so many good shows, and we thought that why not do this series. And for girls of Tanisha's age, college going girls, young girls, school going girls, even for working women, this makeup look is going to be just apt. So without any further delay, we're going to start with the video. But before that, guys, you have to follow this girl on Instagram. She's super talented. She's an amazing singer, amazing dancer. Her moves are incredible and she's super talented. So do follow her on Instagram. I will mention her link down below in the description box. And now let's get started. So guys, I'm starting off with this primer from Flormar Cosmetics. It's a really nice primer, very good for summers, will keep your skin oil free, fill in your pores, and will also enable your foundation to blend really well. Now since this is a no makeup look, so I think this is the perfect foundation from KIKO Milano, which is called Less is Better. So this foundation has actually no coverage, but it just gives a very nice fresh dewy finish on the face, and it is absolutely apt for young girls, college going girls, working women, when you basically want a very natural looking makeup on your face. So I just took a couple of pumps of this foundation on my beauty blender and just blended it into her skin. I did not do any color correction because we want this makeup to be very natural. Now going ahead with the Flormar Concealer, I'm only going to conceal her under eye area to brighten it up, and a little bit here and there, like around her mouth, and a little bit of, you know, acne marks, just to make her skin look flawless and uniform. And then once again going ahead and blending it out into her skin using my PAC beauty blender. Now setting all of it with my Chambor Silver Shadow Compact, and as you guys know, I love to use my damn beauty blender to set the foundation and apply my powders. So once I think the foundation and concealer are set using this compact, I am going to be moving ahead with her eye makeup. So I'm using this amazing matte eyeshadow palette from NICKAK Cosmetics. I got this from NICKAK store, and I think this is also available at NICKAK website. So I'm just going to take a very soft brown eyeshadow from this palette, and using a blending brush, I'm just going to warm up her crease. This color is barely visible, but as the idea of the video is to do a very natural looking makeup, I'm just going to do that. So I think I decided to apply this shade all over her lids, and then going back with this another brown eyeshadow, I'm just going to very softly define her outer corners. So this color is only going to give dimension to her eyes and some structure to her eyes. It is not really going to add too much of color, as you guys can see. So I'm using a smaller blending brush from Pro Art Cosmetics, and I'm using this blending brush to just define her outer corners. We are pretty much done with the lids, and now I'm taking this really nice mascara from Faces, and I'm going to just apply I think 1 or 2 coats. That's pretty much enough of the mascara on both her upper as well as lower eyelashes. What's wrong with me today? But I'm also going to be defining her lower lash line very softly, very naturally. So I'm going back with that same brown eyeshadow which I used for her outer corner, and taking an angled brush, I am just going to gently smoke out her lower lash line, or you can say just define her lower lash line a little bit. I'm sorry, I came in front of the video, so you guys can see now. Just defining a tad bit, keeping it very natural. Nothing in this makeup look is dark, it is very natural. Now I'm using my favorite product of all times. This is the Body Shop lip and cheek tint, and this looks like a very bright red color, but when you apply it and you blend it, it just gives such a beautiful, natural, rosy looking cheeks, even lips, and it looks absolutely natural. It just looks like a healthy rosy glow on your face. So I am just doing that for her cheeks, and I always use my fingers to blend it, but always make sure that your hands are well sanitized when you are especially using it for your clients or somebody else. And now for the lips, I will define her lips using a pink lip liner, and then using this really amazing liquid lipstick from Flormar Cosmetic, which is a very nude color. I'm going to apply a layer of this lipstick, but later I realized this lipstick is actually very nude, so I switched to another lipstick which is a pinky nude, also from Flormar. I'll mention both the names in the description box. I applied it on her lips and I just blended it gently with my lip brush, and you guys can see the makeup is done, but it is so natural, just like what Elena Gilbert has done in the series. And then I just decided to give her a little bit of that glow using the PAC Baked highlighter, just a tad bit. We are not going over with anything in this look, guys. So this is the finished look, guys, and this is how we tried to take inspiration from Elena Gilbert and create this look for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Show this a big thumbs up if you did. Do follow Tanisha on her Instagram. The links are mentioned below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye. Enjoy behind the scenes of this cute little girl.